Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove emoji from your video on CapCut PC. So guys, for example, we're going to remove this emoji from this video. So the first thing we're going to do is duplicating this clip. You can click on the clip, then you can right click and click on copy, and we can right click again and click on paste. Okay, and now the clip has been duplicated, and we can go to the mask option. So you can tap on this mask right here, then we're going to select the circle mask, and we're going to use the mask to cover the emoji. So I'm going to adjust the size of the mask. Okay, I'm going to place the mask right here, and after that we can go to basic, and we can drag the mask to cover the emoji. Okay, and now the emoji has been removed from our video. Alright guys, and that's how we can remove emoji from our video on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.